Creating an XP farm in Minecraft is an excellent way to gather experience points quickly. These farms are typically designed for automated mob or entity farming. Here's a concise guide. Choose a farm type. Decide whether you want to create a mob farm or an entity farm. Location. Select a suitable location for your farm. Mob farms are often built high in the sky or deep underground to maximize efficiency and safety. Spawning platforms. Design platforms for mobs or entities to spawn on. For mobs, create darkened areas where they can spawn naturally, while for fish farms, use water channels. Mob transport and killing mechanism. Create a system that follows mobs to a killing chamber, often using water streams or minecart rails. For entities, use water currents to collect and transport them. XP collection. Ensure that the XP drops are collected and delivered to you. Use hoppers and chests for collection. Killing mechanism. Design a system to kill mobs or entities. Common methods include water currents leading to a fall that drops them to their death or mechanisms that use lava. Collect XP. Stand near the XP collection point to gather the experience points. Automate and expand. Once your farm is functional, consider automation and expansion to maximize XP yield. Safety measures. Implement safety measures like lighting up the surrounding area to prevent other mobs from spawning and interfering with the farm. Optimize and improve. Research and experiment with different farm designs and mechanisms to make your XP farm more efficient and productive.